Next one up is a 1970 Honda SL100 showing only 5,000 miles. Needs a good old cleanup, been sitting around for some time. Tank side covers inside of the tank isn't bad at all. A little bit of a cleanup, looks like it is original paint. Mudguard's a bit damaged. This side cover is not the original one, obviously. Yeah, 1971 Honda SL100. Okay, next one up, 1975 Honda XL100. This is only showing 4,600 miles. We did have this running at Christmas time, so it is a runner, has been sitting since. Front mudguard's a little wonky. Inside of the tank is pretty good. Yeah, inside the tank's nice. Like I said, we did have this up and running at Christmas time, but it has been sitting since. 1975 Honda XL100. Okay, next one up, quite a rare 1970, actually 69 made, came out in 1970, Honda SL350. All seems to be there, all the mudguards, everything in good shape. Wheels just need a good old polish up. It's missing the side covers. I will dig around, see if we can find some side covers, but all the rubbers are all there. Tank, obviously very, very faded. It's got no rust holes underneath or anything like that. Instruments are in very good shape, not even faded. I said all the original mud guards, everything's there. The exhaust has been chopped about at the back, but that is the original exhaust. This side's all right, just needs a bit of painting. This is a restoration project. Yes, 1969, came out in 1970, SL350 Honda. Okay, next one is a parts bike. This is a 1971 Honda SL100. Rolling chassis. Got the tank there. A few sought after bits and pieces, including a standard rear mudguard, wheels. Yes, I don't think we have a title for this, but you see what you see. This is what you get. 1971 Honda SL100. Rolling chassis. Okay, next one up, another 1971 Honda SL100 rolling chassis. Mudguards are all there. Looks like it was last registered in '84. Wheels are there. Instruments, it's not even faded. 8,000 miles. Tank is quite nice inside. No holes up underneath. Rolling chassis, front and rear wheel. 1971 Honda SL100.